Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a recorded sales call into a finished professional proposal automatically using n8n and AI. No copying notes, no rewriting the same proposal. So if you watch my previous video, we already built the sales agent, the agent that handles lead intake, follow-ups, CRM updates, and call bookings, and no-show reminders. This video is a part of the Fast Automation Challenge where we built 3 agents so they work as a system together: a sales agent, a proposal agent, and onboarding agent. Together, these 3 agents, they form a complete client management system. It's what you need if you're an agency owner or if you're constantly handling proposals, sales funnels, etc. So how does the proposal agent works? I have created here the whole workflow for you, and I've added a sticky note so it explains exactly each step what it does. But overall, after you finish a sales call, the call gets transcribed, AI extracts the important details, a branded Google Slides proposal is created, and you receive the proposal link by email. Your CRM updates automatically. You review it, you make the edits for your proposal, and then once it's ready, you send it to your client. That's all you need. So all this is created by using n8n, which I found amazing that you can create these automations, and this will save you hours of work. What you need to set up this automation is Claude, Fathom for call recording. There are free plans. And premium, if you're doing a lot of sales calls, probably you'll have to go to premium plan. What you need is Google CRM sheet. You need Google Slides for the proposal, OpenRouter account, chat model right here with Cloud AI for writing, for extraction. I've already built the full workflow for you, and link below, I share it in my automation library. All you need to do is just import it and connect your accounts. So let me quickly explain the flow so you understand what's happening. When the Fathom call finish, it sends the transcript to n8n. The workflow checks, is this sales call a follow-up call? Then it's right here, as you can see, clean up the Fathom data. Then the transcript is clean. AI extracts proposal details like goals, bottlenecks, solutions, phases, and pricing. A Google slide proposal is generated from your template. You get an email with the proposal link, and the CRM marks the proposal as sent. As simple as this. If it's a closing call, the workflow just updates here in the CRM sheet. Everything stays organized and everything is done automatically. What you need before importing this exact workflow is 3 things ready. First, the Google Sheet that acts as your CRM. Let me show you real quick the folder that you will download. So when you go to the link and you open the proposal agent, you'll see 3 docs here. One is the proposal agent JSON file. This is the doc where you're going to import in your n8n. So when you go to n8n home and create a new workflow, just press here, import from file. And then you will import the JSON file. You'll get exactly this workflow. Next, you will need a CRM sheet, which I've already created for you. You need to fill up a few test client names here to create your test and to execute the workflow. And all of this you have to connect with your own credentials right here in n8n. And the third dock is you're going to see the quick setup dock. This is very helpful when you're working in the workflow to just set it up and guide you what to do exactly, how to connect your accounts. As simple as this. So now let's go back to the proposal agent. Once you have all this set up, and you can import the workflow and just add your credentials. Okay, so after the Google Sheet, you will need Google Slides proposal template. And here you can enter right here, as you can see, proposal title, description, all of these details. Once you create, you design, you will use placeholder like proposal title, project goals, and you can change this pricing, etc. Just change it to match your company or your business. Once you have all of this ready, the proposal, Google Slides template, and then you have the Google Sheet populated with a few test names and Fathom account, then you need to also create your, if you don't have it, OpenRouter account. That's where you can use all the AIs. Here we've used Claude because Claude is best for writing. But when you connect the OpenRouter AI account, you can just add like $10 and just start using Claude from there. Yeah, so now let's walk through the actual setup. I'm not rebuilding this from scratch. You already have it built. All you need to do is just download and use the file. Once you import the proposal agent JSON file, you're going to connect your credentials. Then you're going to paste in the slide template ID right here in this node. And then you will, again, connect your CRM sheet, Fathom data. Make sure you connect that. And then you will activate the workflow. And I would suggest first test the agent. And what you're going to do is just schedule a short call, start a Fathom recording, talk about client's problem, what they want to achieve, just create a test call, timeline, pricing, etc. When you end the call within a few minutes, you'll receive an email with a proposal. Your CRM updates automatically. That's how you can test if your agent is working correctly. This is very powerful because proposals are repetitive. The structure is always the same, only the content changes. I believe once you set up this system once for your business, then it can update automatically and then you can change things as you go along. And then also your team, your employees can also benefit a lot because everything is automated and it's in order. That's why AI is perfect for us nowadays because it creates powerful agents that can do any workflows on automatic pilot. What you're going to do is once you have the sales agent working and active, and then you get the lead, the call, the proposal, and then onboarding. That's why these three agents are just made to work together. And if you haven't watched the video about the sales agent, I'll share the link below. This is the second agent, the proposal, and the third coming soon, the onboarding agent. Link in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. And next is the onboarding agent. I'm excited to share this with you because once you get the three agents working together, and once you create this system, everything else should be much easier, right? Just monitoring. And I think this saves hours and hours of time instead of compared to doing everything manually every single time. That's how AI can help us work faster and be more efficient.